Well, as you can tell, it's raining outside right now. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, it rained early this morning. Yeah, that woke me up. Pushing with one hand. Damn. Look at that. It's gonna rain all day today too. It's dark in here as well. It's dark in here, I can't see shit. Kind of the front. It's so dark outside right now. Look at this shit, man. Oh my god. Well, I'll be working today because rain, no doubt. Curse you, Mother Nature. Yeah, if you're a car wash worker, if you're a car wash worker like me, you gotta hate the rain. I told a few customers that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a car wash worker. I gotta hate the rain with a passion. Look at this crap. Look at those dark clouds up there, I swear to God. That wind's picking up too. Let's go.